Hey everybody, it's Jeff and Paul from Legion M, and Gamestop has been in the news this week, and a lot of people have been asking us for our take on what's going on. First of all, there's a lot of similarities between what's happening with GameStop and Legion M. Both are examples of a large number of small investors uniting to influence an industry that's traditionally dominated by big money. That said, there's a fundamental difference between investing in GameStop and investing in a startup like Legion M.
So when you buy shares of GameStop, you're speculating. It's nothing more than a financial transaction between you and the seller. No value is created in the process. GameStop is the exact same company it was before you bought your shares, and unless you can somehow change their business in the meantime, their share price is most likely going to go back to exactly what it was before. And if that happens, the economics of the entire transaction will look exactly like a pyramid scheme, where every person that made $1 million is offset by 1,000 people that lost $1,000.
Investing in pre-IPO startups is completely different, because when you invest in a startup, that money goes to the company, which uses it to hopefully create value.
All investments are risky. It's important to understand those risks. Buying GameStop is betting that you can outwit the market and time the market perfectly. It's a zero-sum game. For you to win, somebody else must lose. When you invest in a startup, it's totally different. You're uniting behind the team. You're investing in the team, in the advisors, and uniting together with all the other shareholders in the company. If the company doesn't succeed, well, we all lose. If the company is successful, we all win together. So if you haven't heard of Legion M, we're the world's first fan-owned entertainment company. I mean, we're literally using the power of a community of investors to reshape Hollywood. We believe that there's a ton of value to be created in the entertainment industry, and that's why we're uniting fans together to back and produce projects that we think could become some of the next big franchises.
That said, we strongly encourage you to proceed with caution when it comes to investing in anything. If you're doing it for the money, make sure you know what you're getting into. If you're in it for the cause, you might want to consider checking out startups. If you think about it, the Jobs Act, which is what allows you to invest in startups, is a way of democratizing capitalism and taking a section of the economy that was previously restricted to only insiders and accredited investors and opening the doors for everyone to participate. That's our take on what's going on. Thanks so much for checking it out. And if you don't know what Legion M is, be sure to click below and find out how fans are uniting to shape the future of Hollywood.